Charisma Mom, and it's been a long time since we've been together. So I'm going to ask you if you kind of want to know what this and this and this have to do with each other. Stay tuned, because we're going to find out. All right, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I have to tell you, as you know, I really want my YouTube channel to blow up. And so I am always looking for, like, you know, the next newest, biggest thing. But sometimes I can't afford the next newest, biggest thing. And right now, the next newest, biggest thing is this little blue beauty blender, but it's not called a beauty blender, but it's blue and it's fuzzy. And I got on YouTube, or not YouTube, I got on to the internet to try to find this little thing, and I found it. And it's $6, which you'd say, well, you know, hey, Charisma, that's not a lot of money, but guess what, guys? She's poor. I don't have $6 to spend on a new beauty blender, and I'm gonna link down below for those of you who have the $6 to buy this new little thing. But here's the thing, I may be poor, but I'm pretty thrifty, and I realized that it was made out of the same thing that my tanning mitt was. So who needs them? I'm gonna use my tanning mitt today to put on my foundation. Let's get started. All right, so Nikki from Nikki Tutorials, she used it dry and wet. So I'm going to start with it dry, and then I'm going to pause the video, and then I'm going to wet part of it. And that's the beauty of using a tanning mitt, because look how big this thing is. I can just, you know, I have the beauty of that. And as you guys know, I am a Merle girl. This is Timeless Illuminating Makeup in the color Light Beige. I am also going to use my 24 karat gold firming foundation primer from Merle Norman. I do use a lot of different products. I also have the Hourglass stick foundation, and I'm going to be giving you guys a review on that. I've got to wear it a little bit more, and I'm also going to give you a review on the Wet n Wild cushion foundation. If you watched my video a couple days ago, I did kind of mention that, but I need to use it a little bit more because I just haven't used it enough. Now, here's the only thing I don't like about the Merle, this particular one about Merle Norman. So if there's anybody at corporate at Merle Norman watching this, which I doubt there is, y'all, get a pump. This is ridiculous. It is 2018. Put your stuff in a pump. It's ridiculous. Okay, so again, I'm gonna use the mitt because it literally is the same stuff. I can't get my hand in it. Oh. Okay, shut the door.
Are you doing the video?
Yep, shut the door.
Hey, I just got an icy from Congo. Doesn't that hurt?
No, we're good.
What?
Alright, so I'm going to do one side of my face with it. With it dry. See? We don't need no stinking sponges. We got this. Did you just burp?
Mm-mm.
She did. She got some Taco Bell breath.
And that isn't just Taco Bell, that's also throat breath. I still have it in my mouth. But I have to go to
that's disgusting. I now have it wet. I'm gonna take it off there. I'm gonna try it this way now. Like you would like a velour puff. You think I'm kidding about $6 being too much money. You know, we've all been there. My kid eat lunch for a week or a velour puff so I can do a video. You know who won. Ooh. This is for those ASMR people. All right. Well, there you have it, folks. Come down on my neck a little bit there. My hair's all over the place. Oh, hey, let's try it this way. So I have to tell you, the other day I was listening to this song and I'm singing it in the shower. Because you know, in the shower, I am freaking Beyonce. And I'm singing it. And I'm like, man, I really like this song. I wonder who sings it. Never thought anything of it. And then I was watching, I don't know what I was watching, but anyway, somehow, you know how YouTube does, and it just takes you into the proverbial black hole that YouTube is. And then Carpool Karaoke came on. And the beautiful young man of Harry Styles came on. And it was freaking Harry Styles that sang the song. So yes, I live under a rock. I did not know Harry Styles could sing like that. Yep. Okay guys, I'm actually not mad at this. I'm kind of having fun with this. I'll catch a grenade for you. I know that's Bruno. I don't know why that just got stuck in my head. All right, let's see. I'll put my glasses on. If I can find my glasses. I don't know where my glasses are. Oh. See, this is the problem when you really can't see and your glasses are right in front of you. My Merle Girl headband. Alright. This is a light to medium coverage. It is buildable, but you cannot be mad at this. Y'all, look. Don't go buy a beauty blender. Just go get a cheap little $2 velvety tanning meat. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Tanning meat. And there you go. Huh. See? your girl is gonna take care of you. And then you can like take care of the ASMR people or the ASMR in you. And then you can like start a band. Start a beat. What's that song? It's a Janet Jackson song. Oh, what's the Janet Jackson song? Rhythm Nation. Na 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 Rhythm Nation. I don't know it. Anyway, there you are, guys. Your girl came at ya. She conquered. She won. You don't need no beauty blender. Just go get that little dollar something self-entertaining mitt. There you go. Hope you had fun. I had fun. Gonna bring some more content like this to you unless you totally hated it. And I love you guys. God bless.